Hello friends, welcome to my channel. We are here with a great video. Barış Baktaş's emotional statement about Yağmur Yüksel touched the hearts of his fans and made them want more. What is the real story of the village behind the words? While the whole world was celebrating the arrival of 2025, Gülüm Baktaş made an emotional post that surprised her social media fans. I wanted to start the new year with my wife, but, he wrote. But it left everyone wondering what went wrong. Sources close to Gül say that despite her heartfelt wishes, something important is missing this year. His relationship with his wife was strained. The couple were also dealing with personal issues that they had not fully addressed publicly. My Rose's confession started to shake social media even more. The statement he made about his relationship with Yağmur Yüksel and their reconciliation became a hot topic. We will give you detailed information about the subject. Stay tuned to our channel. Goodbye.